power of plugging in. Global conventions and corporate meetings that truly fuel success in travel. About 3 years ago, I said yes to something that would change my life forever. The travel industry. That's right. What started as a simple decision has now become a global mission, a movement that reaches far beyond what I ever imagined. From day one, I made a personal commitment to plug in. What does that mean? It means showing up. It means staying connected. It means soaking in the wisdom of those who've gone before me, applying that knowledge with bold action, and evaluating what works to grow stronger every step of the way. Plugging in is the fuel behind the success stories you will see in this industry, mine included. Across the globe, our organization hosts powerful international conventions, corporate leadership trainings, and dynamic business meetings, online or live events. These events are where vision meets execution and where inspiration turns into action, with a growing presence in 22 countries.